Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by matching ports and picking the right cable or adapter. This prevents signal issues. Once you have HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C identified, plug the cable into the monitor first and then into the laptop. Make sure the monitor is powered on and set to the correct input. You do this now so the devices can negotiate resolution and refresh rate cleanly. If using an adapter, use an active adapter for older ports. This ensures the laptop recognizes the external display immediately. Once the cable is connected, open your system display settings to tell the OS how to use the monitor. On Windows, go to Display Settings. On Mac OS, choose System Settings Displays. Decide whether you want to extend the desktop or mirror it, and assign the primary display so taskbars and menus appear where you want. Then, set the resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs for sharp text and smooth motion. Make scaling adjustments if items look too big or small, and reposition to finish. Confirm the physical arrangement in settings, and save your configuration so windows snap to the right display. Test by dragging a window across screens and playing a short video to check color and performance. Enable color calibration or night mode if needed. If you run into trouble and the monitor shows no signal, reseat or swap the cable, select the correct input on the monitor and try a different port or adapter. Finally, update or reinstall the graphics driver. This fixes most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.